Hello, it's William from Fine & Country, and today I have an unbelievable new instruction coming to the market shortly, which is Pitt Bungalow here within Appledore, sat on approximately 2 acres with an orchard and exceptional views over Instow. The property itself is versatile to be 5/6 bedrooms with a grand living space, diner and opportunities to expand. There has been a lapse approved planning historically, which any new potential buyer may be interested in looking into. One of my favourite features of the property is the grand living space that I'm stood in right now, split between dining area, seating area and a fantastic viewing platform which the current vendors thoroughly enjoy in the evening times looking over the landscape gardens. This room itself is actually 30 foot in length, and an interesting fact, the property has been owned by the current vendors since the late 70s. So once again, an incredible opportunity for someone to own a property like this that has not been on the market for many years. I'm down at the bottom of the garden, just taking a moment to enjoy these exceptional views over Instow. If this is something that you feel you need to come and see yourself, then call Fine & Country Bideford on 01237 426 018. Thank you.